Someone just accidentally exposed the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 Pro inside DJI's own app. Not through a retailer jumping the gun, not through an FCC filing, but buried inside a Mimo app update that most people scrolled past without a second thought. A sharp-eyed community member caught it, screen recorded it, and now we have actual footage of this gimbal working before DJI has said a single word publicly. In this video, we are breaking down everything visible in that leaked clip, what the FCC filing from December 2025 adds to the picture, and what the timing of all of this tells us about how close the announcement actually is. There is one feature in that footage that signals DJI is rethinking how creators physically interact with a gimbal, and that detail is worth staying for. Here is the origin story. A reader over at thenewcamera.com spotted an unidentified gimbal asset hiding inside the Mimo app after a routine update, sitting within the cinematic shots section under action mode. After cross-referencing the find with earlier FCC coverage, he identified the device as the Osmo Mobile 8 Pro and shared a screen recording showing it in actual use. You know what is interesting? An accidental app-side leak like this is one of the most credible ways a product can surface before launch. It is not a render. It is not a spec sheet built on guesswork. It is working software running on real hardware that DJI's own development team prepared and pushed live too early. That is a meaningfully different level of confirmation than a blurry prototype caught on a test flight. So, what do we actually know from the clip itself? The most immediately obvious upgrade is a large, built-in rectangular preview screen on the gimbal handle, a live display that lets creators monitor their shot and adjust settings without constantly looking back at their phone screen. The Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P both had small built-in screens, but there is a massive difference in usability between a status indicator and a full preview display you can actually read and interact with mid-shoot. In the footage, modes are being changed directly from the handle using a thumb, which is exactly the kind of frictionless workflow change that makes a real difference when you are trying to move fast. The clip also demonstrates smooth subject tracking in action mode, following a person walking and then breaking into a run without losing lock or jumping to correct. There is also a compact module visible clipped above the smartphone, likely an upgraded version of DJI's multifunctional module, though the specific details on that remain unclear for now. Here is where things get really interesting, because this leaked footage does not exist in isolation. The Osmo Mobile 8 Pro, model DS508, already cleared FCC certification back in December 2025 under ID 2ANDR DS508, which thenewcamera.com first reported at the time. FCC approval is the regulatory green light that makes a product eligible for sale in the United States, and DJI does not file for that clearance on a product that is not ready. Trust me on this one. The filing timeline and the app leak appearing together in early 2026 is not a coincidence. It is a product that is finished, cleared, and waiting for DJI to pick an announcement date. And there is a built-in deadline working against DJI here. FCC certifications carry a 180-day confidentiality window, after which all images and product details become public regardless. DJI has historically never let that clock run out, meaning an announcement between April and June 2026 is not speculation. It is practically guaranteed. Step back, and the bigger picture is clear. The handle display isn't just a small upgrade. It solves a real problem by keeping control directly on the gimbal instead of relying on your phone. For solo creators, that's a meaningful shift in how you shoot. Paired with better tracking and a growing modular system, the Osmo Mobile 8 Pro looks like a real upgrade, not just a refresh. With FCC approval already in place, the launch isn't far off. So, is the handle display the upgrade you wanted, or is something else missing? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for full coverage.